Start your day with a power-packed breakfast. Prepare a delicious smoothie bowl topped with granola and fresh fruit. This nutritious breakfast will provide you with the energy you need for the day ahead. It's time to get your heart pumping with a high-intensity interval training HIIT session. Engage in 30 minutes of intense cardio exercises, alternating between bursts of activity and short rest periods. Challenge yourself and push your limits. As you refuel your body post-workout, remember to practice mindful eating. Take your time to savor each bite, chew slowly, and pay attention to your hunger cues. Mindful eating helps you appreciate the flavors and textures of your food while preventing overeating. For lunch, indulge in a colorful salad packed with nutrient-rich ingredients. Mix greens, grilled chicken or tofu, avocado, and a variety of vegetables for a satisfying and wholesome meal. After lunch, take a brisk walk outdoors to boost your mood and energy levels. Enjoy the fresh air and sunshine while staying active throughout the day. As the day winds down, it's time to cook a nutritious dinner at home. Use fresh ingredients to prepare a wholesome meal that nourishes your body and supports your fitness goals. Remember to avoid eating late at night to promote better digestion and quality sleep. Congratulations on completing day 3 of your weight loss journey. Stay committed to your goals, and remember that every healthy choice you make brings you closer to your desired outcome. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 4.